Hey guys, in today's video we'll discuss the best 6 products of what you should look for before purchasing a new one. We have ranked these products according to their performance, price, durability, and more. Please head toward the description to know more about its latest pricing. Schwinn Loop. This has a built-in rear carrier rack and nylon bag. This makes this good for short rides to your local shops or supermarket to purchase a few groceries while exercising daily. Style-wise, I think the classic design of the Schwinn Loop really appeals to senior riders, and you can choose between black, silver, or white frame. Regarding drawbacks, I would have liked an adjustable handlebar height option, but this price is not a deal breaker. The design and specifications have mostly stayed the same in the past few years. It's due for an upgraded model, but to be brought to market soon. Not a disadvantage per se, and particularly for senior riders who may need to be more easily swayed or concerned by the latest folding bike trends. We remain consistently impressed by the bikes, however the competition is heating up in 2023. Brands such as ZiZZO, Dahon, Brompton, and Tern are leading Schwinn in bringing newer, improved models to the market. FREESKY. This electric bike provides 3 riding modes: throttle, e-bike, pedal assistant, normal bike, in pure electric mode. E-bike can achieve 22 to 30 miles, and a max speed can reach up to 28 miles per hour. In pedal assist mode, PAS mode, e-bike can earn 40 to 60 miles and provide 5 levels of pedal assist. In addition, the professional Shimano 7-speed transmission system can conquer 30% hill with ease. High-strength front and rear suspension forks can effectively absorb shocks and better control the direction during riding. The puncture-resistant 20 by 4-inch fat tires can provide excellent grip and superior shock absorption. Hydraulic disc brakes offer greater stopping power, allowing for precise and instant braking even in wet weather. Equipped with a 750-watt high-speed rear hub motor, FREESKY offers 85-nanometer climbing power. 48 volts, 15 amp-hour waterproof Samsung Cells lithium-ion battery is lockable and removable to charge on/off the bike. Featured with 6 hours charging function, the battery can be charged in about 1,000 cycles. Schwinn Hinge. This bike comes with accessories already included. This means you can spend less on purchasing additional accessories such as fenders, stands, or a cargo rack. This bike also comes with a limited lifetime warranty to put your mind at ease just in case you have doubts about it because it has a 14-year age range. Get this if you want to enjoy a bike that makes urban cycling easy. You can take it slow as you quickly bike around town on this single-speed bike. Due to its weight and size, previous customers have deemed this bike heavy and bulky. It also has an unattractive design, so if you're looking for a flashy option that will turn heads, this option might disappoint you. This is an excellent option for commuters or those with limited space. It features a strong vinyl carrying case to safely store your bike in its own area and neatly store it in your office, on the bus, or in your closet. This features a folding steel frame that's both durable and exceptionally convenient for those with limited storage space. This bike roughly weighs 38 pounds, so consider whether you will be comfortable hauling such a weight around town or work. Finally, it features a convenient folding system, making it easy to carry, fold, and store. It includes 1 folding pedal and 1 regular pedal for more accessible storage and folds down to a 30 by 32 by 11-inch size. GESHENG S5. The 750-watt folding electric bike is a speed monster that thrill seekers will greatly enjoy thanks to the speed of up to 31 miles per hour when it's in sport mode. The electric bike also has a splendid 40 to 50 mile range, while the pure electric way it reaches at an average of 60 to 70 mile range in its high-pass assistant mode setting. This is a mode in which the battery uses the produced kinetic energy. The process makes the battery 83% more efficient in use, while saving 50% more battery power for urgent situations. However, while riding it in the rain, it is not advised openly. The e-bike will take about 4 to 6 hours to get to full charge. Since it also has a carry seat, owners can easily carry around their luggage or a passenger, which depends on their preferences. The e-bike has a smart LCD display on its steering rod, with all the details shown to do with current speed and remaining battery power. Since it also has a 4-inch thick tire, the bike is suitable for riding on rocky, snowy, or even sandy terrain. ZiZZO Ferro. This 20-inch folding bike comes in 4 colors. It has a strong and durable steel frame that can withstand any weather, condition, or terrain. It also folds in seconds, making it easy to carry around when not in use. It has 7 speeds and grip-style shifters, which are simple to use even if you've never ridden a bike before. It is a high-quality bike with a foldable feature. It is designed to be lightweight and compact, making it easy for commuters to carry around on their journeys. We're no bike specialists, so we won't try to get technical about VIA's features. I can tell you that this bike rides great, is highly adjustable, and is easy to do on the fly. Both the handlebar and seat have quick-released clamps that allow you to adjust the ride heights. Our families have a lot of different sized people, so this has been really convenient. It's hard to assess durability after only a few weeks, but this seems to be built to last. All of its parts and mechanisms are solid. Given its excellent build quality and highly specialized use case scenarios, we feel it is priced appropriately. Eurobike. We think this YX is a great starter bike for the off-roader on a budget who needs something compact to fit in a boat or a hatchback. You won't find it on the cover of Outdoor Magazine, but you will find it snugly folded in the hatchback. And if in-home assembly sounds intimidating, don't be thrown off. It comes 85% assembled and dialed in. You'll install the front wheel, pedals, handlebars, and seat. Secure the chain with tools included, and you're done in under an hour. Who would have thought that a full shock 21-speed mountain bike with standard wheels, disc brakes, and Shimano components could also fold into a pretzel? The only thing to lament here is the weight. The setup manual and necessary tools are included in the package.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.